Couple of new knives, number 6 and a number 8 Opinels. I'll give you a quick look at the edge. You can probably see there is pretty much no edge on these at all. So it's time to take to them with the wicked edge. Alright, time to do a cut test prior to sharpening them. Let's get them up here and refocus. This is the number 6. Blunt as the number 8. That just tears it. Right, time for a wicked edge. Well, I wanted to go really acute with these Opinels, but I could not get any more acute than 18 aside, 36 inclusive, into the 3.5 strops. So they've got their secondary bevel at 36. I've taken them only to 1,000 on the diamond stones. I haven't used the ceramics at all. I wanted to have a nice toothy bitey edge, but I have finished them off with the 5 and 3.5 micron strops. So we'll finish up and we'll take them over for a paper cutting test. Lovely. Alright, here we go. This is post sharpening on the wicked edge. Give them a bit of a whirl. This is the number 6. Bit of a look at the edge. It's a very... Try it again. There's the secondary bevel. Anyway. Focus back on that bit of paper. Must admit it's a bit of an improvement. I'll get it, see if we can get it in frame. It's a bit toothy. Let's try the 10, sorry, the 8. Number 8. Reasonably sharp. Alright, this is post sharpening, the number 6 and the number 8 carbon bladed Opinels that I bought today. Just get them down there on my hand so they focus in a bit better. Just see the secondary bevel that I put on, and like I said earlier, we couldn't get it any more acute on the wicked edge then 36 inclusive, 18 aside, and you can see the red Sharpie marker where I couldn't get right near the hilt due to the stones running into the guard, but they've come out nice and sharp.